Hey, how's it going? So in this video, I want to share with you 5 amazing Siri tips and tricks that you probably did not know Siri could do on your iPhone. So let's start. So number 1 is you can actually tell Siri to show you a picture of a certain person. So let's say you want to get pictures of Ricky Gervais, then you could just say the magic word, "Hey Siri, can you show me some pictures of Ricky Gervais?" And it will automatically show you some images of the actor Ricky Gervais. Hack number 2 is that you can actually tell Siri to control your brightness. So instead of having to do it by yourself and manually, of course, you could just tell Siri to do that for you. You could just say again, "Hey Siri, can you turn on the brightness to 50%, to 5%, to 10%, whatever percentage you want." Siri will do it for you without you having to do it for yourself as well, which is, of course, it saves you time instead of having to go into Control Center and do it manually for yourself. Number 3, this is probably one of my favorite Siri tricks right here, and that is to tell Siri to take a screenshot for you. So instead of you having to do it, maybe you want to do something hands off and you're worried that the iPhone is going to move or something, then you can tell it to take a screenshot for yourself. And just like the manual version of taking a screenshot on the iPhone, you can do all the edits and everything, of course, but that part you have to do it manually. Siri is not there where you can do that automatically for you, where Siri was able to edit that screenshot for you. So it's just a nice little trick right there. Next, of course, number 4 is, let's say you're listening to a song but you don't remember the artist name or you don't remember the song name, and you just really like this song. So now you can actually tell Siri to say, "Hey Siri, can you tell me what song is playing right now?" And so Siri will, of course, do its magic and tell you what song it is and who the artist is playing this song. Now, of course, this does help a lot because since Apple does own Shazam and it's very integrated into the iPhone, that will help it right there as well when Siri's figuring out what song is playing right now. And of course, this is a nice little tip and trick, is that you can actually tell Siri to help you remind things that you need to get done throughout the day. So let's say you need to be reminded about to buy some apples when you go to the grocery store. So you could tell, "Hey Siri, can you add some apples to my grocery list?" Or you could tell it to remind you to do other things as well, like maybe go take out the dog at 3 p.m. And so it will automatically create a reminder for you at 3 p.m. that you need to go and take out the dog for a walk. So it's just nice little tips and tricks to help you stay a little bit much more productive when you're using your iPhone, and of course using Siri at the same time to get the most out of Siri. So I hope you enjoy these nice little tips and tricks of what Siri could do on your iPhone. If you have any cool tips and tricks that you want to share with me, please do comment down below because I'm always excited and looking for some cool Siri hacks for your iPhone. And as always, I will see you guys later.